Hello, my name is Jack. I'm a student dispensing optician and I work for Specsavers Telford. At Specsavers, we provide all optical and hearing services for the whole of Shropshire. Should have gone to Specsavers. We've been a sponsor for 2 years, and the team here, we love sports, we love cars, we also love the development of students, so what better way of putting back into our local community. One of my favourite interactions with the team, as well as going to numerous track days and corporate events, which is always cool. Terry and the team are great. I've personally dispensed multiple team members myself, fitting them with new spectacles and sorting new lenses out for them, and it's been a pleasure to help them.